Are limiting beliefs holding you back from the life you truly desire? What if I told you that letting go of those beliefs doesn't have to be a struggle? It can be an act of self-love? Let's explore how to release these blocks and step into your highest potential. Limiting beliefs are often the invisible chains that keep us stuck. They tell us we're not enough, we don't deserve success, or we can't change. In this video, we'll uncover why these beliefs exist, how to let go of them with compassion, and how to replace them with empowering truths. 1. Understanding limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs are often rooted in past experiences or fear. They start as a way to protect us, but end up becoming barriers. For example, a fear of failure might stem from childhood criticism. Recognizing these beliefs is the first step to breaking free. 2. Letting go with love. Instead of fighting your beliefs, approach them with curiosity and compassion. Ask, why do I feel this way? What is this belief trying to protect me from? By understanding its origin, you can thank the belief for its role and gently let it go. For instance, if you believe, I'm not good enough, you might trace it back to a specific memory and realize it's no longer true. 3. Tools for releasing beliefs. Journaling. Write a letter to your limiting belief, acknowledging its presence and releasing it with gratitude. Meditation. Visualize yourself releasing the belief, like letting go of a balloon into the sky. Affirmations. Replace the old belief with a new one, such as, I am worthy of all I desire. 4. Reinforcing empowering beliefs. Letting go is just the beginning. Replace the void with empowering thoughts. Surround yourself with positive influences, practice daily affirmations, and take actions that align with your new beliefs. Releasing limiting beliefs is a powerful step toward embracing your true potential. By using these practical techniques, you can begin to shift your mindset and create space for abundance and self-growth. If you're curious about the deeper spiritual reasons behind your beliefs and how soul agreements shape our challenges, be sure to check out our video on understanding limiting beliefs through a soul's perspective. Together, these insights will help you free yourself from the past and align with your highest self. Visit our website to download the worksheet designed to guide you on this journey, and let us know in the comments. What belief are you ready to let go of? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tools to transform your mindset and manifest your dreams.